This 2 is vertical angle, both are equal. Minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1x, and minus 10, 50 minus 10 is 40. Take this 40 value in here. 40 into 2 is 80 plus 50, that is 130. These two are interior angle. That is, the addition of these two is 180. 1 is 130. Then A is equal to 180 minus 130 is equal to 50. 50 is our answer, number 2. Suppose a person invests amount 100 rupees. 20% profit, that is 120 rupees, and this amount in another business he lost 20%, that is minus 120 into 20%. Cancel. 12 times 2 is 24. 120 minus 24 is 96. That is, he lost 4%. 4% is our answer. Number 3. If this number is divided by this number, then remainder is 7. So 7 minus, that is 0. So this is divided by 10. This is also divided. This is not, this is not. Now 18, that is 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9. That is, our answer is 1447. This sum is 2 plus 2 4 plus 7 is 11. So our answer is this. By subtracting 7 we get 1440. This is also divided by 16. 16 times 9 is 144. This sum is also 9, but divided by 16, there is 16, and 56 is not come in multiplication of 16. 16 times 3 is 48 and 16 times 4 is 64. So this is not correct. 3 sides of triangle is given. So you use here one method. The perimeter 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 6 is 18. 1, 1, 2, 4, 6 upon 2. Divide 2 times 3, 2 times 4. 34 is now 34 is that is 17 multiplied by 2. 34 minus 17 is 17. 34 minus 25 is 9. 34 minus 6 is 8. 2 times 17, 9 is square of 3, and 8 times 2 is 16, which is square of 4. Now 17 times 3 is 51, times 4 is 204 square meter is our answer. Any power of 5u. The unit place is also 5u. 1. Also any value of any power of 1 is 1 and 0 is 0. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is our answer, number 3. Sum of ages of two brothers is 40 years. 40, where x is the age of elder brother. Difference is 2. 2. Add x plus x is 2x, y cancel is equal to 42. Divide by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is. Now, what was the age of elder brother 5 years ago? 21 minus 5, that is 16 is here is our answer. We can find ERA single. ERS the single. PQR single is given. Now 8. 5 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11x. Plus 45 minus 19 is 26. And angle of sum of all angle is 180. Now subtract 180 from 26. 4, 3, 1, 5. Now divided by 11. 11 times 1, 4, 14. Now this angle is 3x. That is 3 into 14. 14 times 3 is 42. Now from this 180 minus 42, that is 8, 3, 1. 138 is our answer. Question number 98. For this value, LCM of all is 6. That is multiplied by root 2. This is root 3. This is 1. Root 2 into 1 is root 2 minus root 3 into 1 root 3 plus 1. Now we can add root 6 upon root 6. Now 6 times 2 is 12 minus 6 times 3 is 18 plus root 6 upon root 6 into root 6 is 6. Now 12, 4 into 3, 4 is equal to 2 root 3 minus 9 into 2, 9 is equal to 3 root 2 plus root 6 upon 6. Now divide 1 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So by this equation comparing, A is 1 by 3. B is 1 by 2. And C is 1 by 6. Also LCM of This 3 is 6. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 1 into 1, 1. 2, 3, 5, 8 plus 1 is 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1 is our answer. 1, that is question number. Affiliate of 25 lakh. Pay commission 2%. That means 15,000. So he get 24 lakh 15,000. Here is 13 day a book. If N is number of pages of A is equal to B. B reads 5 more page. That is N plus 5. Then 20 day. 13N minus 2N, 20N is equal to 10N. 20 times 5 is 100. Cancel. N is 10, number of the pieces. That is, the book is 30 into 10 is 300. Person C. 5 pages less than of A. Less than of A, that is N minus 5. N is 10, 10 minus 5 is 5. So how many days? Now divided by 5, 5 times 6 is 30, or answer is 60 days. Rhombus 61 side and one diagonal is 22. So this is 11 and this is perpendicular. We know in right angle triangle, if one side is 11 and 16, then the other side is 60. 60 plus 60 is 120. The second diagonal of length. We know though the formula of area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into first diagonal into second diagonal. Second diagonal is 22. Divide 0. 11 times 2 is 22. 11 times 1 is 11 plus 2 is 13. So 1320 is our answer. Radius of cylinder is 2.1 centimeter. And height is 8 centimeter. In how many days? So divide. Full diameter is 14 mm. That is, radius is 7 mm. That is 0.7 centimeter cm. And thickness is 0.1 mm. That is 0.1 centimeter. Now cancel point. This point is cancelled. Take 0. Now divide by 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 8 is 72. And 0. So 720 is our answer. This angle is 60. If this is 60, this is a straight line, which is not given. This is rough figure. This is 90 plus 70 is 160 plus 80 is 200 and 240, and minus with 360 is 120. This is the angle of 120 degree. This is 120. Then the opposite side is also 120. And the two equal angle also 120. That is, this is 60 and this is also 60. That is, this line is straight line. So area of sector we give theta is 60 degree. I is equal to 22 by 7. Area R is given 7. 7 multiplied by 7. Divide by 7. This is 0 cancel. 6 times 6 is 36. And also divided by 2. 3. 11 times 7 is 77 upon 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Remaining is 2. So 15. 2 by 3 is our answer. Question 104. Which of the following is prime number? This is 29. So 29 is prime number. Our answer is 2. Question 15. Average number of 1 to 19. 1 plus 19. 91 upon 2. That is 92 upon 2 is 46 is our answer. We also check the sum of 1 to 19 is 91 into next number 92 upon 2 and average 91 to 4 1 6. 91 is cancelled. 46 is average. A person A invests 3,20,000 compounded at the rate of 10. At the rate of 10 we can get interest is 0.21. Now multiply 0. 21 times 2 is 42. 20 times 3 is 63 plus 4 67 and there is 2 point, that is 67.20,000. Now the second B person in mutual fund get 3,04,800. That is, he is saving 64.8,000. Now profit, that is 67.2 upon invest is 3.20 multiplied by 100. This cancel. This is also cancel. Now divide by 32. 32 2 times is 64. Carry 3. This is 1. There is 21% profit. For B person, their profit is 64.8 with 2,40,000. This is cancel. Now 24 2 times is 48. 168. 7 times 168. 24 is 100. his estimate is 27%, and 27 minus 21 is 6. So our answer is B, 6%. Find this value, put the value in formula. This value is 1.5. This value is 4.25 plus 1. This is 1. That is 1 upon A. A is cancelled. This is 5.25 multiplied by 15. 15 times 5 is 75. 15 times 2 is 30, 37. 15 times 5 75, 78. Point position is 3. So 7.875 is our answer. Question 108. The quadrilateral whose all angle is equal, that is right angle triangle, its diagonal are congruent. Our answer is rectangle and square. So our answer is 4 number, B and D. The question is on graph. It is better to write separate. Boys is empty box and in desired box is girls. This is 55, this is 50, this is 70, this is 55, this is 75, and this is 60. By how much percentage is the number of the girls is less than the number of the boys from 6 to 8 standard? Now add 5 plus 5 is 10, 7, 7, 14 and 20. Total is 200 students. And girls is 5, 5, 10, 1, 6. Less is 35. Now percentage 35 upon 200. That means our answer is 17.5. What is the type of graph? Joint bar graph. This is joint. In which standard percentage of girls is less than the percentage of boy? Our answer is 7th. Check. 7th standard. Girls is 55 and boys is 70. Multiply by 100. This cancel. 5. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8 is 57. That is 78%. In 8, this is 60 and 70. 75. 15 times 5. 15 times 4 is 60. 5 times 8 is 40. This is 80%. We can check also this is. So C is least. For the question, find the value of this. 5. That is A into C is 5. If A is 1, then C is 5. Or reverse. And BD is equal to 4. B into D is equal to 4. This is square root. So if B is root 2, then D is 2 root 2. Then find this value A. A is 1 plus C. C is 5. plus BD. BD we get direct 4. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is our answer. 2 person P and Q, their saving are ratio 5:3. And spending P is 75%, that is 25% is saving. And B is 80%, that is 20% saving of Q. Now 100 cancel, 5 times 5, 5 times 4, 5 cancel, 3P is equal to 4Q, that is 3P minus 4Q is equal to 0, and total of both is 35,000, that is P gamma Q. Multiply this by 4, 4P gamma 4Q is equal to 1 lakh 14,000. Now this, if we add Q is cancelled, 4 plus 3 is 7P is equal to 1 lakh 40,000 divided by 7. 7 times 2 is 14, and B salary is 20,000 and U salary is 35U minus 20, that is 15,000, that is 5,000 is more. Our answer is 5,000 P exceeds salary of Q. Measure of angle QRS. We can find this angle. These two angles are congruent, this side, and this is common side. So this is 35, this is also 35, this is 27, this is 27. Property of exterior angle in triangle. 7 plus 5, 12, 3 plus 3, 6, 62. This is also 62. 62, 124 is our answer. Radius is 8.5 and card length is 13.6. Divided by 2, we get 6 times 2 is 12 and 8 times 2 is 16. We know that by Pythagoras theorem, this is 17 times 4 is 68 and this is 17 times 5 is 85. So this is 17 times 3 because 3, 4, 5 is Pythagoras triplet. So 17 times 3 is 51, that is 5.1 our answer. This is by Pythagoras. To find the value of this 2.51 bar, this is not because denominator is not prime number. So we can check from first value. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3 plus 2 by 11. Now main 6 is LCM is 33. 7 times 11 is 77. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. That is 83 upon 33. Now we can check. This is 2 times 66. 13 7 1.0. 5 165. Here 5. Also take 0 31 33. This is 17. This is also 17. That is, this is 2.81 bar. So first is our answer. This angle is linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree. 5 by 2. There is 2.5 plus 2 is 4.5 x plus 25 minus 7 is 18. Now 180 minus 18 is 162. Now drop this point, take 1 0. Now divided by 5 times 9 is 45. 2 times 2 is 4, and this is 32. 16 times 2. Now divided by 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 6 is 56. X is 36. Take this value in this equation. 2 into 36 minus 7. 2 times 36 is 72. Minus 7 is 65. This is 65. Then 180 minus 65 is another angle of linear pair. But he asks, angle ACD is greater than measurement of AD. How much? So multiply by 2. 62 multiply by 2 is 130. And 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees, our answer. This term is divided by this. This term is divided, so write in the numerator. Now x square, and this is minus 10. That is, x is common, and 5x square. Here 5 plus 5. This is cancel, so our answer is x plus 5. Question number 119. Which of the following points can lie also in the exterior of the triangle? Midpoint, circumcenter. Circumcenter is our answer. In obtuse angle, their center, that is circumcenter, is in the exterior of the triangle. So our answer is number 2. This is vertex and this is centroid. That is median of side. Last question. In the following circle, with center O, that is, this is angle is 90. Length of LT is equal to radius of circle R, and BL is 2r. That is, this triangle is 30, 60 and 19 triangle. The opposite side of r is, this is 30. So this angle is 60. And by inscribed angle theorem, angle BLT is equal to 1/2 measure cos BST. Now this angle is 60. 16 times 2 is 120. This measurement of RBST. So value 60 multiplied by 2. That is 120. Is equal to measure as BST.